In this video, you'll learn how to tag and organize contacts in Mailchimp. This process will help you manage your audience more effectively and streamline your marketing efforts. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you will see the dashboard with various options for managing your accounts. Next, locate and click on the Audience tab in the main navigation menu. This section allows you to view and manage all your contacts. After clicking, the audience overview page will appear, displaying your current audience statistics and options. After that, click on All Contacts to view your complete list of contacts. This option is usually located within the audience overview area. Once selected, a list of all your contacts will be displayed, allowing you to choose a specific contact you wish to tag. Now, find and click on the contact you want to organize. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly locate the contact. After selecting a contact, their detailed profile will open, showing their information and interaction history. Once you're on the contact's profile, look for the Tags section. Click on the Tag Contacts button. This action will prompt a new window to appear, displaying your existing tags and options to create new ones. Next, select the tag you wish to assign to the contact. If the tag already exists, simply click on it. If you need to create a new tag, there should be an option to add a new one within the same window. After making your selection, confirm your choice by clicking on the Apply button. After applying the tag, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the tag has been successfully added to the contact. This confirmation is important as it ensures that your changes have been saved correctly. Keep in mind that organizing your contacts with tags can greatly enhance your email marketing campaigns. Proper tagging allows for more targeted communication and improved engagement rates. Also, consider the size of your contact list, as larger lists may require more time to load and manage. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.